to meet you. So join the animatronic family. We open real soon. Try your best to hold on to sanity. Come get to know me, and you won't wanna leave after tonight. Down here we're lonely, and we would love you to join us for a ride. You've been through 20 long, frightful nights. You've seen their faces, felt all their plights. You know our show is so far from over, and Freddie told us you're an organ donor. All eyes are on you. We can walk you through all of our fantasy, learn what we've gone through. We can teach you to love the tragedy. You fought the nightmares and the darkest ready. We're all still right here, so let's get funny. We're feeling festive. Join the party, we'll try hard not to bite. Anger is restless. Don't hold it against us, we're alright. The fun is starting, a celebration that lasts eternally. I'm always watching, because somebody purple murdered me. We'll be found down deep underground. What have I done to deserve this damnation? Who knows if you're the one to blame? 'Cause we don't even know your name. But you're here now, and we've got temptation.